What is up everyone, Inceptive here. Welcome back to another market breakdown video. Just before we begin, if you guys are interested in crypto and forex day trading alerts, you guys can join my Discord server. It is completely free at the moment. I will leave the link down in the description below. Now just going to get started with XRP. Okay, now the last time I made a video on XRP was around 1 to 2 days ago, and I told you guys that we were in this descending channel, okay, and we were essentially waiting for that break up, right? We're just bouncing around, and I showed you guys that we're going to do something like this, right? And that is exactly what happened, and we ended up breaking out, hitting our take profit target, right, of about 4.73%, right? And if you held at this point, there was no need to sell, right? You take some profits at your TP and then you move your stop loss to break even. Your entry would have been somewhere around here, okay, because of that channel break. Now you guys can see XRP has had that big move up, right? If you took an entry all the way down there, you would have been up around 18.23% at one point in time, right? Now just going to jump to bigger time frames. That's the play that happened. Right now, what are we looking at next? Okay, just going to remove all my drawings. Now, why did XRP just pump over here and then have that rejection, right? If you guys have been watching my YouTube video, I have been emphasizing this a lot, right? If you guys have been watching my YouTube videos, and it's essentially that descending trend line, right, that's acting as a resistance. So I'm just going to draw that in right here. You guys can see that's what we're testing at this point in time. Okay, just going to fix it up on the 4-hour time frame. All right, just got to fix that part up right there. Okay, so essentially what XRP is doing right here is testing that zone, that trend line. Once we break that trend line, we're going to get a very volatile move up for XRP, and that's essentially when that pump that we've been waiting for right on XRP is going to start. Okay, so have this trend line drawn on the charts, and wait for that breakout. If we do end up breaking out of this trend line, right, what you can see is we'll do something like this, right? Breakout. XRP has a history of rolling over, and then we'll make a move up, right? Get rejected at that zone, and then make another move up, okay? And at that point in time, we're essentially starting that bull run for 2022, okay? Now, if you do end up breaking out of this trend line, what should your TPs be? I'm just going to lay them out for you guys. Your first TP should be about 1.0079. Your second TP should be about 1.1197, and your third and final TP should be about 1.2046. Of course, this is if you're day trading, leverage trading, whatever it may be, right? I only give trade alerts for day trading. I do not give alerts or any analysis or anything like that for swing trading, right? Holding over the long run. Essentially, when you are doing that, you just want to buy the coin and let it run, let it sit, okay? What people try doing is they get in with the mindset that they're going to hold the coin for long term, right? And what they think to do is they might be able to day trade off it, and then they just start losing money, okay? So choose your side. Do you want to hold XRP long run? Do you want to day trade it? I personally only day trade. Obviously, I'm holding a lot of coins in my spot bag as well, but mainly on this YouTube channel. Just want to make that clear for all of yous. I do not give long-term holds unless I say so, okay? So that's XRP over here. Now I just want to show you guys something very interesting that I saw on the weekly. I completely missed this, okay? We are in a wedge, a triangle, symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame, okay? So I'm just going to show you guys. We have our bottom support right here, okay? And we have our top resistance right here on the top, okay? Just going to fix that up. We've got something like that, okay? So let's just jump down to the daily time frame to fix it all up, right? So you've got that area right there. That's acting as resistance on top, and then you've got that at the bottom acting as support, okay? And you can see we've essentially just been playing around in between of this. We had those three rejections on top, 3 rejections on the bottom. Now the next test of either side will essentially be the break, okay? Usually you do not test a symmetrical triangle more than 3 times on each side. The 4th time is usually always a break, right? So what do we need to do in order to see that break? First thing is first, on the 4-hour time frame, what we need to see is the 50 EMA and the 21 EMA cross, okay? That's going to show us that we're in an uptrend. Right now, you can see we've been below the EMA, below the EMAs, right? And that's why we've been in downtrend. You can see whenever we're above the EMAs, that's when we're in an uptrend, right? Here we're below the EMAs, so we're in a downtrend, okay? So what we need to do over here is get above that 50 EMA in red, be able to hold it, break our trend line over here, okay? So break that trend line, get above it, and we are all good for that long. Okay, the XRP pump that we've all been waiting for. Again, I showed you guys on the previous videos the dump that we've been waiting for. The dump was holding XRP back. Okay, and that is completely over. Okay, so XRP is looking good for a long. Right now, I'm just going to show you guys if I see something on 15-minute. Okay, now usually when you do get a very volatile move, that's not something that you want to be trading. You want to stay out of it. Right now, the other thing I do see on 15-minute time frame is a channel. Okay, ascending channel, right? So that's the support right there, and that's the resistance right on top. Okay, so you can see, I'm just gonna fix that up a little bit, right? So that's our resistance. You can see first test, right, bounced. Second test we bounced. The third test we just completely bounced and went straight up nuclear, right? On the top we've been rejecting this zone right here on the channel, this zone right here, and essentially what's happened right now is XRP is falling back into the channel. Now if this is not able to hold, if we close below the channel, expect XRP to come test the low part of the channel again, right, and then make that move up. Okay, we do not want to see a channel breaking down. If we see it breaking down, that means that the break up has been invalidated. Okay, so we need to see a new break now, right? And right now we have not closed below. Okay, if this candle closes above, we're good for longs. And if you do take that long, what should your breakout target be? So high to the low of that channel, right? Just gonna place it around here, and that would net you around 6.96% unleveraged. Okay, so that's XRP for you guys. Of course, now just want to make everything clear. There's always a downside to every trade, right? And over here, the downside would be if we, do something like this and end up losing that channel, retest, and we'll have a similar breakdown target. Okay, so always be prepared for the worst. You can enter shorts over here, right? Once we break that channel, take shorts and take a profit at about 0.7857. Okay, and if you do break out, your take profit targets should be about, assuming you just want to scalp this right on the channel. If you're looking for the trend line break, then you should hold, and you should trade this on the bigger time frames like I showed you guys where the trend line is valid. Okay, so your TP would be around 0.9607. Okay, so that's XRP for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.